Hello, I'm Teacher Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Minh.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 7.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm feeling great today. So today you will be having speaking test. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, who is he?
He is grandpa.
Who is she?
She is mom.
Who is she?
She is grandpa.
Again?
Grandma.
Who is she?
She is grandma.
Okay, who is he?
He is dad.
He is dad. Okay, that's good. So now, how many people are there in your family?
There are 6.
Mm-hmm.
Grandpa, grandma, dad, mom, sister, and me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so now I want you to look at the picture. Look at the picture, please. Okay, is she happy?
No,
No,
she is.
no, she isn't. Okay, is he sad?
No, he isn't.
Okay, is she hungry?
No, he isn't. She isn't.
Okay, is she thirsty?
Yes, she is.
Okay, is he cold?
No, he isn't.
Is she cold?
No, she isn't.
Is she happy?
Yes, she is.
Okay, that's great. So now let's go to picture this picture. So look at her. What is she doing?
Is she cold?
She is feeling hot. That's good. How about him? What does he feel?
He's full.
He is
Full.
full. Okay, that's good. So now look at picture number 2.
There are hippo.
Okay.
There are tiger. There are crocodile. There are bears.
Okay, so first I will ask you, are they hippos?
No, they aren't.
Okay, no they are not.
No, they are not.
Okay. Are there the hippos?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Are there bears?
Yes, they are.
Okay, very good. Now tell me something about this animal. What animal is this?
It's a bird.
It's a bird. Can you tell me something about the color?
It's colorful.
Yeah, it's colorful. Okay, do you like bird?
I
like bird. Okay. Do you know where it lives?
It's in the forest.
Okay. What can bird do?
I can fly.
It can fly. Wow. Okay. How about this animal? What is this?
It's a bear.
It's a bear. What's the color?
It's brown.
Okay. Do you know what bear can do?
It can walk.
It can?
Walk.
Okay, that's good. How about this animal? What's this?
It's a hippo.
What's the color of the hippo?
That's gray.
It's gray. Okay. So what can it do?
It can walk.
Okay. Wow, that's good. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all for today. High five.